Track 30.
Listen and choose the correct answer for each of the sentences below.
The circulatory system. The heart and blood vessels make up the circulatory system. This system is very important because it sends blood throughout our bodies. As you know, the blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell. The heart is the key organ in the circulatory system. It usually beats from 60 to 100 times per minute, but can go much faster when necessary. The heart gets messages from the body. Depending on a person's needs, it can pump more or less blood to the body. When we are sleeping, it pumps less blood. When we are exercising, the heart pumps faster to increase the delivery of oxygen. We have 3 types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. They are the thickest blood vessels. They have muscular walls that contract. This helps to keep the blood moving away from the heart to the body. Veins carry blood back to the heart. They are not muscular like arteries. Instead, they contain valves that prevent blood from flowing backward. A network of tiny capillaries connects the arteries and veins. The capillaries are one of the most important parts of the circulatory system. Nutrients and oxygen are delivered to the cells through capillaries. In addition, waste products, such as carbon dioxide, are also removed by them.